Okay, we're in Houston, Texas this morning with Freddie. Freddie is with Affordable Solar.
Affordable Solar Screens and Blinds, doing business as a four-year electricity company.
He has a CM1500 HP and a hose reel, and just ordered a replacement antenna for his wireless remote. How's that working?
Great. That's perfect, man. It was real quick. I like the fact that you stand for your products. It was very, very quick that I was able to get this within the next day, pretty much, because I was stuck without an antenna, so we were doing things manually. And I think it was partly our fault, not that it was bad equipment. I think it just crimped the line and it stopped working. So yeah, thank you for that. Yeah, and always count on you. The machine, man, is awesome. That's a 1500, and man, if you got a medium to small jobs, that's the perfect machine. Even though we have done commercial work, 15, 14 apartment complexes, 4th floor up, the machine was able to handle it just fine. It was perfect, and so definitely a machine to have. It has not broken down one bit except for the antenna, which probably, like I said, it was my fault. But this man right here, Barry, you can count on him. Just call him up and he'll be there. Came to visit just to bring me donuts.
There you are. Nice to meet you, Freddie.
Thank you, buddy. Appreciate it.
Thank you.